Ever wondered how to make money as a social media manager? Well, hang tight because we're about to delve into the thrilling world of social media management, where creativity meets strategy and where your post could be the next big thing on the internet. Think of social media platforms as your playgrounds, each with its own unique set of rules and features. It's up to you to navigate through Facebook's algorithms, Instagram's hashtags, and Twitter's trending topics. Get to know these platforms inside out, and don't forget to keep an eye out for the new kids on the block too. Next, think of your social media profiles as your digital business cards. They're your chance to make a great first impression, so make sure they shine brighter than any diamond. Share interesting content, engage with your followers, and show the world that you're not just good at social media, you're great at it. Being a social media manager is like being a lifelong student. Social media trends change faster than fashion, and you've got to stay on top of them. Consider taking online courses or earning certifications to polish your skills. Remember, knowledge is power. The world of social media is vast, but don't let that deter you. It's actually an opportunity to specialize. Find your niche, whether it's food, fashion, finance, or felines, and make it your own. You'll be more attractive to clients if you're an expert in their industry. A picture paints 1,000 words, and so does a well-curated portfolio. Highlight your best work, successful campaigns, and impressive engagement metrics. Show potential clients the magic you can bring to their social media platforms. Now let's talk money. Your pricing structure can be as flexible as a yoga instructor. Charge per hour, per project, or offer a monthly retainer. Just remember to keep it fair and consider your experience and expertise. A successful journey begins with a detailed map, and in this case, that's your business plan. Outline your goals, target market, services, and marketing strategies. It's your guide to the exciting world of social media management. Your website is your digital storefront, so make it inviting. Optimize it for search engines and use your social media skills to promote your services. Remember, content is king. Networking is key. Connect with potential clients, attend industry events, and join social media groups. It's all about who you know, and more importantly, who knows you. Offer a smorgasbord of services, from content creation to analytics reporting. The more you offer, the more appealing you are to clients. And don't forget to familiarize yourself with social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. They're like your personal assistants, helping you manage and schedule posts with ease. Stay organized. Managing multiple clients can be like juggling flaming torches, but with content calendars and scheduling tools, you'll be a pro in no time. Don't be shy about showcasing your achievements. Use analytics to measure the success of your campaigns and demonstrate your value to clients. Remember, numbers don't lie. Expand your horizons by collaborating with influencers or other social media professionals. It's a win-win situation that can help attract more clients. Request testimonials from satisfied clients. There's nothing more powerful than word-of-mouth advertising, so don't be afraid to ask for referrals. Last but not least, stay on the right side of the law. Familiarize yourself with contracts, intellectual property, and privacy policies. It's not the most glamorous part of the job, but it's crucial to protecting yourself and your clients. And there you have it. The life of a social media manager in a nutshell. It's a journey filled with creativity, strategy, and a whole lot of fun. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start making waves in the digital world. Before you go, come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.